This time all house is built from metal, except the interior, which allowed us to keep the weight low and keep it in the 3.5 tons. And it's built as a loading, so anytime we can remove it from the trailer if needed to put on the ground, or just to go with trailer to pass the control and not have any issues with the tiny house. It's 7.5 meters long, 2.6 meters wide and 3.2 meters high. By building it as a loading, it allowed us to build it a bit wider, because you can drive on the streets up to 3 meters when it's as a loading. Let's have a look inside. As you enter, you have a almost 2 meters long kitchen, which has a deep sink, induction stove, oven, kitchen hood, lots of storage, pantry, dishwasher. It's a half unit what you usually have in regular homes. Washer and dryer combo. Interior is built from a pine wood. Here is dinette with lots of storage beneath, here and there and here below. This can transfer very easily into guest bed. And behind this mirror door with Johanna's painting on it, we have a bathroom. It's 160 long and 90 centimeters wide. We have a sink, we have a rain shower here with a normal one shower as well. The wet bathroom, so it has a one huge shower tray. And here we have a composting toilet and 55 liters electric water boiler. Front of the bathroom door we have a pellet stove, which is a second heating source. First heating source, we have a heated floor in all house. And behind these doors is a bedroom / office space. The bed is queen size bed, 160 by 2 meters. Below the bed is a huge storage. And right next to the bed is a work desk.